Guys, my dad's friend Corey is about to eat pig balls. Pig testicles, if you're trying to be more formal. And they're going to be fried, so they're going to be cooked. They're not just going to be raw. But this episode could get long because they need to cook. So in the meantime, you're stuck with me for a third vlog for tonight. Yeah, it's going to get a little crazy. Up in here. I can't pause the video. I'm recording on an iPhone for some reason. There's no way you can pause it. I'm tapping up here. And I saw a tutorial and said you could tap up here. But I can't pause it. Yeah, I seriously, I can't pause it at all. So, yeah, you're pretty much just stuck with me until they cook. And, I think is the camera focusing on me? Hey. Okay, there you go. I think it's starting to focus now. So you're stuck with me. Yeah. You're stuck with me, and this is not my room. I'm at my cousin's house right now, and cousin Peyton's house. This is her room back there. Turn that off. And he's gonna eat not both testicles. He's gonna eat pig testicles. Pig testicals. You're stuck with the family from now until figure out how to actually pause the video. You want to see him? Huh? What? Huh?
You gonna try some of that?
Did it take?
I wouldn't want to eat.
Did she say how long to cook them? No, she didn't.
I'm gonna treat them like the chicken fried steaks. Let them cool off.
That's the plan, Stan.
I wouldn't want to eat that. But they look like chopped up pork. But those are balls. Those are balls.
Use that same grease, girl.
I mean, you're going to use it.
Okay, they're balls.
These weren't dirty.
Yeah.
I will give her permission to turn them around and just out.
So yeah. Ray Ray, hey. Ray Ray, what's good? What's good, Ray Ray? What's good? Ray Ray, hey Ray Ray, hey. It's good. I'm filming all this. Hey Peyton. Hey Peyton, I'm filming you.
I'm sick.
Yeah, oh.
Having surgery. So don't look at me. I'm bloody.
I'm gonna slap you in the face. Does it hurt? Huh? Does that hurt?
She's sick.
Does it hurt? I don't think it hurts. Anyway. We got an injector with some serum.
No, she's sick. She got some live stuff. You can't play with her.
Oh, I can't play with it. Got a little pink timer. My cousin's a little pink timer. This is a playroom. Yeah, all the boys out there aren't interested, but you know what? All the girls out there probably are. Pumpkin madness. Right here.
This is good.
What?
I just tried it. It's good.
Oh gosh.
We're hitting the melon.
Hey, just take you a little bite of this.
Fine, I'll think about a pig ball.
I'll think about a big ball.
I don't want to chew it.
Chew it, bud. It's good.
You cooked it all the way, right?
That is good.
You cooked it all the way, right?
Yeah.
You guys cooked it. You
Second help.
guys cooked it all the way, right?
Yes.
What? It's perfectly cooked. This ain't my first time cooking, baby. Shit, boy, I do.
Not bad. Well, now you know you can eat cooked pig balls. Like and subscribe if you like this video and turn on notifications, please.